Hey, good day folks out there, it's Olushola in the studio. Welcome to this lesson. In today's lesson, I just want to talk about these three dangerous Makossa lick I played over the progression of 1, 5, 4, 5. So before I proceed to the lesson, I would like you to click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Do well to put on the notification bell so as for you not to miss any of the video updates. So the first line goes like this. So the first line is made up of a pentatonic run, then to the major scale, a 3, then a major 7 arpeggio on my G. So then sweeping down, then so major scale idea, then lots of family. So slowly all together. More slower. That's the first line. The second lick goes like this. So a very simple approach, the pentatonic run, then a descending major scale, like it's a combination of pentatonic and major scale. Then back to the octave. Mi, re, do, la, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, sol, mi, la, mi, re, do, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Then do, mi, re, do, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, sol. Second part. So slowly. Then second version. Then to my 5. That's the second lick. So the final lick is this. So this is kind of tricky because it features some chromatics. So I started with the pentatonic, descending pentatonics, then to my chromatic starting from my 6. So mi do la sol mi la do ti sol fa mi re do la sol. That's the descending pentatonic, fa mi re do la sol fa mi re do la sol. Then if a fourth arpeggio had 6 or if for a chord 4 major 6. So all together. Then la sol fa la do re, la sol fa la do re. Then chromatic again. So everything together. Now this time around, octave. That's all. So if you like this lesson, I would like you to click the subscribe button and do it to subscribe to my channel. You can check out my other videos on the channel that talk about modern Makossa guitar. So I believe that this leak is one of the things that you can add to your arsenal. Do it to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to comment, like, share with friends. See you next time.